Hey everyone, my name is Lauren with TBP Converting. Today we're going to be talking about our wide selection of setting blocks. Setting blocks act as a cushion between glass and the surface they are resting on. They are used to position and set glass, minimizing unevenness and gaps during installation, and help prevent potential breakage. Other applications include shower door installation and glass railing. At TBP, we provide an assortment of setting blocks that come in colors like black, but are also available in gray, white, and translucent. We offer 3 different materials: silicone, neoprene, and vinyl. Our stock sizes begin at 1/16 inch thick and are available with certain limitations up to 3/4 and beyond. We supply the industry standard hardness of 80 Durometer, as well as offer these blocks to be custom die cut to your preferred size and shape. For applications that need setting blocks to be even more fixed in place, we provide the option to add adhesive. Based on your application, we can provide the exact setting block you need to create a smooth and easy assembly. For more information on this product, please call one of our product specialists at 1-800-850-3338 or send us an email at sales@tbpconverting.com. From all of us at TBP Converting, we look forward to working with you.
This video is for demonstration purposes only. Please contact your sales representative for more information.